Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. I know guys you are waiting since a long time. So in this video I will show you how you can install the PaleHide or the Palera1n RootHide on iOS 16.7.11 and lower devices. Yes, you can do so on iOS 18 as well, as long as your device is supported by the Palera1n Jailbreak. Yes, you can use it to fix the jailbreak detection in apps which do not work while your device is jailbroken, and in the end I will also show you how to set it up to run your tweaks. The method shown in this video is completely free, and this video is for educational and informational purposes, so I urge you to use it responsibly. Moreover, before making this video, I also sought permission from the original developer. First of all, you will have to be jailbroken normally with the Palera1n Jailbreak. It does not have to be rootful. It should be rootless, right? You can use WinRain, you can use the normal official PaleNix to jailbreak your device using Palera1n. Once it is freshly jailbroken, open Celio, then go to sources and make sure the alikit.space repo is added. To add a repo, you can hit this plus button, simply type it here and then hit add source. First of all, go to search and install alikit. Once this package is installed, go to search again and install preference loader as well. Now again go to search and search for troll store helper. All right, you will find this package. Simply hit on get queued and confirm to install the troll store helper first. Now hit done. You will see troll helper right here. Open it and then hit install troll store. Make sure your device is connected to the internet while you do so. All right, as you can see, it is now installed. Once you get back in, you'll see troll store right here. Open it and let it install LDIT. Then go to settings, then hit install persistence helper, then install it to the tips app. Now this phase is done. Next up, you will have to get this package which will contain the jailbreak.tip file and the PaleHide PaleNix ISO file. You will get it from the description or from the pinned comment. Now you will require Rufus to make this ISO file into a bootable USB flash drive. You can simply head to the official website for Rufus. You can get it from here. It is completely free. Once you get it, simply plug in a USB flash drive and open Rufus. I am using this 2 GB USB flash drive. I will simply drag and drop this ISO onto Rufus. Don't change anything. Now simply hit start and make sure you select write in DD image mode. You will see this radio button right here. Then hit OK. Make sure you back up all data on this USB flash drive because the data will be erased. Once it is backed up, you can hit OK and wait for the process to finish. Once complete, you will see ready here. You can now hit close. Now we will boot our computer with the USB we just created using this ISO file. Alright, as you can see, I have rebooted my computer to the boot manager. You can do so by simply repeatedly pressing the F9 key or F12 key depending on your computer. But for most your HP computers, F9 will work, and for Dell, F12. You can check out which key you can use to get to the boot manager by simply googling for it, and you will see the USB flash drive you just created. You can simply press enter here and let it boot. Alright, as you can see, we are now in the PaleNix menu. Now at this point, simply plug in your device. You don't have to reboot it to remove the existing jailbreak. You can simply plug it in. You will see this dialog. This is very important to hit trust. All right, if you hit enter, you can see that default jailbreak type is RootHide. All right, if you want to confirm, you can simply go to switch and make sure it is on RootHide. All right, and now simply hit enter. Your device will go into the recovery mode. Alright, now simply hit enter to get it into the DFU mode. You can simply follow the instructions on screen. Alright, then wait for the jailbreak process to complete. Alright, if your device is stuck here, alright, simply unplug it and then replug it, and you will see the process complete without issues. As you can see, the device booted into the home screen without issues. Leave that device here and simply press enter to quit. Now hit on exit and then hit reboot, and then remove the USB flash drive and then boot into Windows. You will get here, and I'm going to show you the version again. It is the same device on iOS 16.7.11, and you can see now the Troll store works, but we can't see any package managers like Celio. Alright, now simply head to the same link from the description or from the pinned comment, and from that package get the jailbreak.tpa file. Now simply get this file to your device. Now once you get the jailbreak.tpa file, go back home, open Troll store, then simply hit this plus button, then hit install IPA file. Now select the jailbreak.tpa from recent downloads, alright, and then simply install this file. Once installed, go back and you will see the Dopamine RootHide right here. Open it and then hit the jailbreak button. Now select the package manager. I will go with Celio, hit on continue and wait for the process to finish. Now simply set a passcode or password of your choice. I personally recommend using alphabets. Hit on set. Alright, once the process completes and after a user space reboot, when you come back, you will see that we have Celio, we have Roothide. Again, if I open Celio and show you the version, you can see it is indeed iOS 16.7.11. You can see Dopamine RootHide, and if you have packages to be updated, simply hit on it, confirm to first of all update them to the latest available versions, then hit restart Celio. Get back on, go to sources. You can see we have the Roothide repo also added. We have the Processus Roothide. From there, simply head to search and install Allocate first. Make sure you install the Allocate from the Roothide repo. Simply hit on get queued and confirm to install it. Once added, simply hit this button to do a user space reboot. Now after the user space reboot, after installing Allocate, open Celio again, then hit on search again, then search for preference loader. Make sure you install preference loader from the Roothide repo and not from this repo. Alright, simply hit it, get and install the preference loader, then restart Springboard. Now you are good to go to install any tweak, and I will show you how to do it. Open Celio again, then I will go to search and search for a tweak called Ampere, just for a test. It is completely free. Simply hit it and then hit on get, and you will see this dialog not updated. You will simply hit on get patcher and then hit on get again. You will see queued. You will see all these packages. Hit on confirm. Once complete, hit on done. Now for the same tweak, hit on get and you will see this dialog again. Now hit on convert. You will see this dialog and it will take you here. Now you can hit convert.deb. Make sure rootless compact layer is enabled and you will see this dialog. Hit on Celio, alright, and it will automatically share it to Celio. Now hit on get queued and confirm to install a tweak, then restart Springboard. Now after the respring, simply go in, open settings, scroll all the way down and you will see your tweak right here, which means it is installed successfully. Now you can simply turn it on, and after the respring you can see the Ampere tweak is working. You can see the battery percentage inside the battery icon, and if you open settings, visit the tweak, you can see it is enabled properly. Yes, you will be able to run your apps which do not work while you are jailbroken. So for this example, I am installing an app right here which typically do not work while you are jailbroken. So let's test it. And as you can see, it worked without issues. Now in any case, if you see an app crash, simply close it from the app switcher, then open the Roothide from here. Then from there you can simply hit var clean, select all, then hit clean. Alright, now hit on this button, and from there you can simply turn it on for that specific app which is not working still. Go back and now reopen it. You'll see that it will work instantly. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.